Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about telescope. So, what is telescope? Telescope is an optical instrument which is used for the angular magnification of objects kept at a larger distance. Larger distance means the objects like stars, planets and all. In telescope, we have two lenses, one is objective and the other is eyepiece. The lens which is kept nearby the object is known as objective lens, and the lens which is kept nearby the eye is known as eyepiece. Here, the aperture of the objective lens is greater as compared to the aperture of the eyepiece. In microscope, in compound microscope, we have considered the aperture of the eyepiece was greater as compared to the aperture of the objective lens. But here the scenario is completely different. Here the aperture of the objective lens is greater as compared to the aperture of the eyepiece. Now, let us consider the rays coming from the objects kept at a larger distance is meeting at a point, and this plane where the image is formed is known as focal plane. Let us consider the name of the image is A dash B dash. This is image created by the objective lens of the distant objects, and this image acts as an object for the eyepiece. When we produce the rays, we see that the image formed is magnified. Here the objective lens is greater as compared to the eyepiece, so that we can get more number of rays entering into the objective, and due to which we can see a brighter magnified image of the distant object. So the magnification formula is M, that is magnification, is equals to angle made by the image divided by angle made by the object. Here angle made by the image is equals to beta and angle made by the image is equals to alpha, because this is acting as an image for this objective lens and this is acting for the as an object for the eyepiece. In triangle, so beta upon alpha, which can also be written as 10 beta upon 10 alpha. In triangle A dash B dash E, we can write 10 beta is equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular means A dash B dash upon base means E B dash, where E acts as an optical center for eyepiece. So A dash B dash upon E B dash divided by 10 alpha. 10 alpha in this triangle O A dash B dash, we can consider 10 alpha is equals to perpendicular upon base, that is A dash B dash upon O B dash. Here A dash B dash upon O B dash, where O acts as an optical center for objective. Here, so when we simplify it, A dash B dash upon A dash B dash gets cancelled, so we are left with O B dash upon E B dash, which can be written as we are left with O B dash upon E B dash, where O B dash is the focal length of the eyepiece. Therefore, focal length of the eyepiece E B dash and O B dash is the focal length of the objective. Focal length of the objective. So FO upon FE. O B dash is FO and E B dash is FE. So FO upon FE. Due to sign convention, this FO is positive and FE is negative. So FO upon F minus of FE. So finally we get into the conclusion that magnification is equals to magnification of telescope is equals to minus FO upon FE. FO means the focal length of the objective and FE means the focal length of the eyepiece. So since we know that FO, that is the focal length of the objective, is greater than the focal length of the eyepiece, so we can simply conclude that magnification created in telescope will be greater than 1. Here the negative sign shows that the image created will be inverted. But in the case of planets and the stars, we don't really consider the object is inverted or not. We simply consider the object is kept erect. Thank you very much.